All right, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, tank is empty. Probably everybody's wondering what the hell happened. Don't know as of yet exactly what or where the issue is, but there is a leak somewhere in this area. Whether it's in this area or not, to be exact, and that's what I'm saying, I don't know, is because this is the only area water was coming from. So until I get this off of the stand, get it outside, get some water in it, try to figure out or pinpoint where the leak is at, the cube has sprung a leak. So it's down. Corals are doing okay in the container I have them in. Everybody's open right now. This is the carbon and GFO, just floats right now. It's got a lot of air trapped in it, so I haven't let the air out for it to drop. But who cares right now? Just trying to make sure everything is good to go. Fish are doing okay. Everybody seems to be all right in here. I got some corals down in the sump with the MP10 blowing on it, and I got a bucket of sand somewhere around here. So really it's ready to come down. I've already cut the pipes, and we're gonna go in and get that from out of here. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. Sad to say. I mean, it was coming up on 1 year that I had this tank up and working, but you know, things happen for a reason. Maybe this was for a reason, who knows. But at least I was here when I saw it happen. And really it was just like a puddle of water on the floor. I thought the dog had peed on the floor. It wasn't. And yeah, that was a good bad thing that I didn't have to clean that up, but fortunately the tank did suffer. It's fairly easy to break this down. With all the rocks being modular in the system, I was able to pull each of the individual rocks with the corals attached to them out, get them into the brute trash can, and get the tank water in there also. So breaking it down was fairly easy, plus it was pretty late and I was just tired. So other than that, guys, man, wish me luck. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna reseal this or just change it out for a different tank. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Kind of sits right here in my front doorway. I was kind of thinking just doing a peninsula tank, maybe something lower, but I don't know. This is all fresh right now, so still trying to work it through my brain as to exactly what happened here and why I now have a bunch of tank parts everywhere. So did that, and I will catch you guys on the next one.